What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Wolf back with another video. You see Cerberus in the back looking beastly. But today we are going to be putting on all those mods I showed you guys in damn, come on son, damn, messing up my ensemble. All those mods I showed you on the last video, I'm gonna give you a quick run through and we're gonna throw all that stuff on today and hopefully get some gains and some more performance. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna run through the box real quick. I'm waiting on the guys to show up. We're gonna get this thing done. Okay, boom. Ported throttle body. NGK, 6 new NGK spoil packs. Ported uptake manifold and lower intake manifold. And right here we have a new thermostat, a 180 thermostat instead of the stock 210 thermostat. So all this, damn, oh shit, goddamn. What's up, Bowser? So all this stuff is going to be going on today. Hopefully, if everything works out. So boom. Just waiting on the guys to show up. We're going to get this video started. What are these black dudes doing in my car? They trying to steal it? No, nah. Alright. This is the broken one, right? Ugh. So as you can see, this joint is cracked. There it is. Cracked. So these guys who know way more about cars than me have already taken off the upper and they're changing out my coil packs now, so there will be no more RIPP coil packs for a while. And here is the new the ported upper. Hopefully I'll get a little bit of horsepower gains. This is the ported lower, and they're adding some oil to the new gaskets I got from Modern Muscle Extreme. They're supposed to send me a shirt. They hit me up on Instagram. They ain't send it. Doing me dirty, bro. Ignore the fact that he's using his middle finger. He's not flicking it off the camera.
My apologies.
And what is this for?
Pretty much make sure you get a good seal. Just prevent them from drying out, cracking from heat.
That was for me and the viewers. I was like, all right, I don't know what he's doing. But he's making a seal right now.
Doing for the scat pack, I'm just gonna...
Yeah, you don't need no scat pack. I mean, it's nice though. I like the scat pack, I'm not gonna lie.
My brother...
And you can't beat that V8 sound.
Yeah.
I mean, I like the V8. I love the way this car hisses when I'm doing my thing, but the V8 sound, the cold start is just crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, you one of those drivers?
No, I'm a good driver.
Anybody who says I'm a good driver drives crazy.
I keep up with traffic.
Anybody who says I keep up with traffic speeds. I do both. I'm a good driver and I keep up with traffic. Alright, so the new Modern Muscle lower intake is on. Look at those gaping holes. You don't gotta go to Pornhub to find gapes. So this is the old one. And you were saying what?
So you see how the lines, ridges, everything is clean. So if you run your finger down the side, everything is clean on the side. So there's less air catching, more free flow.
Just want to add it.
I can dig it. I can dig it. So we got the new Porter one. It's about to add 80 horsepower.
Definitely not 80.
Not 80?
Nah.
Like 6, 5?
I would say a good solid 15, 20.
Oh, that's all right. Again, he put the new oil on there, so he's creating a good seal. All right, so this is my old throttle body. You can see the lines on the side. On the inside, you can tell this one is not ported. Even I can tell, and I'm not too knowledgeable, but you can see this is all smooth, and it even looks a little bit thinner if you put them side by side. So this is the ported throttle body. About to get big horsepower gains. All right, we got the new NGK spark plugs in, coil packs in. So hopefully these pair up good.
You should definitely get a little bit more because of NGK.
Yeah.
You're already paired up with the NGK.
So NGK spark plugs working with the NGK coil packs. The RIPP ones are out. So hopefully that fixes my misfire issue. Okay, as you can see, the ported upper intake manifold, the lower, and the new ported throttle body are pretty much secured. Now we're gonna be well, they're gonna be. I haven't done anything. The coolant, they're gonna be draining out my coolant and putting in this this new coolant, and we're gonna be adding a new thermostat to try to keep the car cooler. So the new coolant and the new thermostat will keep the car under 180 degrees. So I'll be able to go harder, longer. That ain't sound right. We're gonna be able to push the car more. All right, we got the coolant being drained now. Cerberus is getting more surgery. He's been through a lot in the last couple weeks, but he's gonna be strong. He's gonna get through this. Got the coolant being drained. About to get some new better coolant in there. Keep the car cooler. We're gonna add in all this extra horsepower. All right, so now you can see the coolant tank is empty, and we got this new thermostat getting ready to go on. They are prying off that hose with the biggest screwdriver I've ever seen. There is the new coolant going in from AmSoil. I don't know what that hissing sound is.
Releasing the air, replacing liquid with air, bleeding the system.
What he said. What'd you just do?
Cut it off just so it could build up more pressure.
Oh.
See, it's dropping. Replacing air with liquid.
What the hell?
Liquid.
Damn, I didn't think it was gonna take both. What the hell? All right. All right, all the old stuff is out, new stuff is in. As you can hear the car in the back. It's just getting adapted to the new coolant and the new parts right now. They're cleaning up. It's all said and done. I don't know how much of this I'm gonna be able to put in the video because we were shooting the shit a lot, but hopefully I can feel some type of horsepower gains. You know, that's what we all want in the Mopar world, in the car community, just gains. So while the car is chilling, they're cleaning up, and I'll get back to you guys in a second. It's been a good day, man. It's been a good day so far. I don't know, I might hit the gas and the car blow up, but that'd be terrible. But yeah. Okay, everything is put back together as you can see. And let me flip the camera. No more orange coil packs, but I kind of like the black look. It looks like this is how my car is supposed to be. It looks like almost like OEM, if you ask me. But all the old stuff is in here. The regular lower intake, the upper, the old throttle body's right there. All my RIPP things are in here. So yeah, we're gonna go do a first drive. We're gonna do a first drive and see what it sounds like, because it should sound a little bit different because it's getting more airflow. So we're gonna go check that out. We're gonna do our first drive, And yeah, let's see how much. Let's see if we get a little horsepower. Let's see if we get a little horsepower. I might do a quick pull for y'all. I have got to get some new exhaust tips. Okay. Put it in drive. Alright, let's see what this initial pull is like. I know this video is probably long, so I'm gonna just give you a pull in a second. I'm gonna get out the neighborhood. I don't want to hit no kids or some crazy nonsense like that. So it feels way smoother. It feels way smoother. Not one sputter. Yeah, I think I can't confirm it, but if you ask me, it was my RIPP coil packs. I had just another misfire with the coil packs, and now that the coil packs are out, it's gone. So you take that for what it is. I don't want to make my YouTube about bashing companies or something like that, but yeah, I put it in sport mode, so I'm shifting hard right now. But yeah, not one sputter. It's like this is my normal driving. I'm not having any of that herky jerky stuff I was feeling prior. So I think it had to be the coil packs. All right, first pull, guys. First pull. Jesus. Man, the camera was everywhere. I gotta start hooking up my GoPro. Roll the windows up. I wanted you guys to hear the car. That's why the windows are down. But sheesh. Yeah. That initial low end power from the ported. Whoo. Excuse me. That low end power is crazy. That low end power is crazy. Do one more, just for good measures. Try to hold the camera a little bit more steady. Yeah. Sheesh. Okay guys, I gotta recommend it. If you have even if you don't have RIPPs, the RIPP supercharger, I gotta recommend the ported upper and lower and the throttle body. Just that extra air, man. That extra air is definitely you're gonna get some horses from that. Low end horses, you know. That first initial, yeah, I gotta recommend it. Sheesh. Man, I want to roll the windows down so you guys can hear it, but I don't want to get a bunch of wind noise. But yeah, Modern Muscle Extreme, ported upper and lower intake manifold, and the throttle body. Make sure you keep the screws, because when you order it from there, they don't take it out of sport mode. When you order it, you don't get new screws, and gaskets will be extra. Gaskets were like $70. So you're gonna need new gaskets, upper and lower. So get all new and make sure you get the gaskets. But yeah, I gotta recommend it. I'm parking. Go ahead and close this video out. All right, man. Like I said, I recommend getting. Oh, I got the blue lights on. You see it. Go ahead and get a little snapshot. Okay. I gotta recommend getting the upper. Why am I down here? I gotta recommend getting that upper and lower intake manifold and the throttle body. Yeah, it's all on there. Cerberus is in the back sitting beastly with the horsepower gains. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Me and Cerberus out. Left wrist for the diamonds, right wrist for the power moves. Left wrist for the diamonds, right wrist for the power moves. Power moves, power moves. Rocked up, yabba dabba do.